Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Zoom software. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Zoom, download and press enter. You'll get the first link, download Zoom for Windows. Click on it. On this page, scroll down. You'll get the option download 64-bit. You need to select this. This will download the setup file. Once setup file download is complete, you need to click on open. I'll minimize the web browser as we don't need it. This will initialize the Zoom Workplace installer. Get a pop-up, select yes. The Zoom Workplace installation was successful. We'll click on done. So to join a meeting, you can click on join a meeting over here, then provide the meeting ID which you have received. You can enter your name and click on join. So I'll click on cancel. You can also log in by doing a sign up over here, or you can also sign in if you already have an account. So that's the interface. I'll close this for now. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.